Hey, frozen drink lovers! Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, where smart buyers come to find cool gear that actually delivers. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best Ninja and Slushie makers in 2025, the ultimate machines for crafting icy perfection at home. Whether it's juice, coffee, cocktails, or just that perfect summer slush, these machines have you covered. We're counting down from number 5 to number 1, and trust me, you'll want to stick around to see which one I've ranked as the best overall pick. And as always, you'll find Amazon links for every product mentioned. Just check the description to grab the latest deal. Let's get into it. Number 5. Chival's Frozen Drink Maker, the Budget Party Beast. Starting off at number 5 is the Chival's Frozen Drink Maker, a surprisingly powerful machine for those wanting party-quality drinks without breaking the bank. With its 360-degree rotating cooling propeller, this unit doesn't need ice cubes and still churns out silky smooth slushies in as little as 15 minutes. Its 6 preset modes and touchscreen interface make it super easy to use, and the quiet operation keeps your kitchen peaceful even during back-to-back batches. Hosting a get-together? The 68-ounce capacity is perfect for serving a crowd, and its energy-efficient compressor helps keep the power bill in check. Cleanup is effortless with the self-cleaning mode, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Pro tip: make sure your drinks have enough sugar, 7% or more, or proper alcohol content, 2.8% to 16%, for the perfect slush consistency. Number 4. Nostalgia Snow Cone Machine, the retro crowd pleaser. Coming in at number 4, the Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. This one's more than a slushie maker. It's a party favorite with a vintage vibe that's made for family fun. It works with standard ice cubes and quickly shaves them down using precision stainless steel blades to create soft, fluffy snow-like ice. It's the perfect size for countertops or patios, and the safety switch ensures the kids won't get hurt mid-shave. Pair it with any of the Nostalgia brand syrups or cones, and you've got a DIY snow cone bar ready for birthdays, BBQs, or summer nights. It's not as high-tech as others on this list, but for a fun, easy-to-use machine that brings people together, this one delivers. Number 3. Fi Slushie Machine 92-ounce, the high-capacity powerhouse. At number 3, we've got the Fi Slushie Machine, and this thing is built for serious frozen drink sessions. With a massive 92-ounce capacity and a rapid cooling system using 360-degree propeller tech, this machine delivers frosty drinks in just 15 to 45 minutes. The LED display with 6 presets and 10 texture settings gives you full control over thickness, temp, and flavor. Whether it's margaritas, milkshakes, or mocktails, the Fi makes it easy with user-friendly controls and a helpful recipe guide. And when the party's over, hit the self-cleaning mode or toss the removable parts in the dishwasher. Just remember, for best results, use liquids with at least 4% sugar or the right alcohol balance. Number 2. Ninja BN701 Professional, the ice-crushing classic. Runner-up goes to the Ninja BN701, a high-performance blender that moonlights as a frozen drink master. With 1,400 peak watts of crushing power and Auto IQ presets, this machine is designed to turn ice into snow in seconds. It features 3 one-touch programs: smoothies, frozen drinks, and even ice cream, all handled effortlessly thanks to Ninja's intelligent blending patterns. The 72-ounce pitcher is family-sized, and the stacked blades ensure everything is blended to perfection. Need cleaning? Just toss the pitcher and blades in the dishwasher, all BPA-free and top-rack safe. If you want a versatile blender that doubles as a killer slushie station, this is it. Number 1. Ninja Slushie, the ultimate frozen drink experience. And finally, taking the top spot, the Ninja Slushie. This is the future of frozen drink making, and it's absolutely incredible. No ice needed. Thanks to rapid chill technology, the internal auger spins around a cooling cylinder to evenly freeze your liquid of choice, turning soda, juice, coffee, wine, or even chocolate milk into smooth, delicious slush. With 5 one-touch programs and custom temperature settings, you can control everything from thickness to chill time. The Whisper Chill compressor keeps it running quietly while maintaining your drink at the perfect texture for up to 12 hours. It also comes with an 88-ounce easy-fill vessel, drip tray, and a slick dial control system. And yes, cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Heads up! Sugar is required to achieve slush, and if you're using sugar-free recipes, you'll need to use a recommended substitute for proper results. If you want premium performance, low noise, and serious control, the Ninja Slushie is hands down the best slushie maker on the market right now. So there you have it, the top 5 best slushie makers in 2025. Whether you're blending frozen cocktails, cooling off with soda slush, or making party drinks for the whole family, there's something here for everyone. All the machines I mentioned are linked below in the description with live Amazon deals, no searching needed. If you enjoyed this breakdown, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a frozen treat tip from consumer heaven. Until next time, stay cool, stay smooth, and stay refreshed.